Hi guys, how are you doing? Welcome back to the channel. So guys, today we are talking about small business ideas for teenagers. So as a teenager, I know you are under your parents still. These are people in high school or in colleges, but now times are hard and I know they're not giving you, they might not be giving you all enough pocket money, or you have your needs and you cannot depend fully on your parents. So these are some of the small business ideas that you can start for yourself. Hopefully one day it can even grow into a big business or something that you can even pursue after school. So thank you so much for clicking on this video. My name is Judith. I do how to make money online videos, personal finance and personal development. If that is the kind of content you're looking for on YouTube, please consider clicking the red button to join the family. Click the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. Business idea that you can start as a teenager is offer babysitting services. I know these are mostly available in the US because now they don't have access to house managers like us. So now, to become a babysitter, of course, learn something about babies. Also, take a course in child handling, like first aid. Become well equipped on how to handle a child and everything. And then now you can advertise your services. You can start with your neighborhood. You can also advertise yourself on your website if you have one, or on your social media platforms. So number two, you can offer tutoring services. I know each and every one of us is gifted differently in different areas. So if you are good in mathematics, for example, you can teach people mathematics. If you are good in sciences, you can do the same. If you are good in languages, you can teach people English and earn money from it. Again, this is something that you can just simply start small with your neighborhood kids. If you are patient and you are detailed enough, you can teach younger kids just some things. For example, if you're in high school, then you can offer tutoring services to those in primary school. Just recently, a friend of mine was telling my 13-year-old that she can teach her daughter who is in class 7. My 13-year-old is clearing class 8, those who are in Kenya. So now she was telling her that she can teach her mathematics. My daughter is very good in mathematics and sciences. So that is something that she can actually do and make money from it. Yeah. Number three, you can start a neighborhood service business. So if you are an outgoing person, someone who enjoys meeting new people and talking to people, then you can start a service business in your neighborhood. So some of the services that you can start include lawn mowing and lawn care. You can do car washing business. You can also do dog walking business, do house painting. So now this and also if you have a car, if you have access to a car, that is if you are above 18 in Kenya, so that you can have a driver's license, then you can do food delivery, you can do grocery shopping for people, you can do errand running just for your neighbors. Yeah, advertise your services in the neighborhood. You can also advertise on your social media platforms and get going. So this business is a very good one because you can schedule yourself. You don't have to do it full time actually, because remember you are still in school and you need to still study and get good grades. So now it is something that you can just that you can schedule yourself, plan your time very well, and advertise your services according to your available time. So that is number three. Number four, you can become an online creator. So if you are someone who is good in anything, whether it is blogging, whether it is creating content for YouTube, for Instagram, for TikTok, if you're an outgoing person, then this is something for you. So you can start a blog, but now these ones, they take time. They will take time because now you need to build an audience. before you start earning from this platform. So if you are a good writer, if you are a writer and you have something valuable to share with the world, then you can start a blog. You can also start a YouTube channel and grow it to a particular audience. You can start TikTok, you can start Instagram. Once you have reached a certain growth, that is in your subscribers if it is YouTube, or in your followers if it is Instagram, then you can start monetizing your account or your content. So now on YouTube, of course, you can monetize with Google AdSense. When it comes to Instagram, you can monetize with the ads for companies. Also, even on YouTube, by the way, you can still monetize with the ads for companies. So once you have reached a particular following, let's say on Instagram, then you can approach brands and partner with them, become a social media influencer. Yeah. So that is another way of earning. Of course, you can also earn from ads, you can also earn from affiliate marketing. So it is something that you can try doing when it comes to the kind of content that you can do, especially when it comes to videos. You can do DIY videos. For example, if you are good with hair videos, you can do you can make anything with your hands, and then just show people how to do it, and then you can grow your audience. You can also give gaming tips and all that. So some tips for teenagers who want to venture into a business. Number one, hold yourself accountable. I know as a young person you can get carried away and think about money so much that you forget what you're supposed to do to get the money. So now make sure that whatever you promise to deliver to your client, you will deliver it. This is also a time to actually grow, become confident. Also, just hold yourself accountable and be a trustworthy person in general. Just be trustworthy and deliver exactly what you promise to deliver. Number two, believe in yourself. Yeah, I know as a young person, you are still experimenting, and I'm not saying that you have to stick to a particular business. You can always, you have time to experiment and do several things before you settle to one. So take this time to learn whatever you love, your passion, and then run with it. So believe in yourself and you will definitely excel in it. Number three, don't overcommit. So again, just like being holding yourself accountable, do not overcommit. Like, don't overpromise when you know very well that you don't have that time that you require to take on a large amount of work. As I said, you're still in school, you're still responsible for your studies, you still need to study and get good grades. So just take on only what you can handle at that particular time. And then the last one, number four, have fun with it. This is not like you're not going to work seriously. This is not the time to start stressing yourself because of work. It is something that you should just do as a hobby. But again, it will still earn you money. So make sure that you are having fun while doing it. So those are the four business ideas for teenagers, guys. I hope you have learned something. If you're a teenager on this channel, I hope that you can try these things. If you are a parent on this channel, I hope you can share with your teenagers these business ideas and see if they can make something to ease the burden on you, right? So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I hope you have enjoyed something. I have enjoyed it. I hope you have learned something. If you have, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so by clicking the red button. Subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, and let's meet in the next video. Bye.